Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix blinking Snowflake on Honeywell Thermostat. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to fix this problem, we first need to explain or discuss what is it. So the blinking snowflake indicates that your thermostat is in delay mode. So this feature is actually designed to prevent your air conditioner from short cycling, which is when the system turns on and off too frequently. Short cycling can potentially damage your AC. So delay mode usually lasts about 5 minutes and helps you protect your HVAC system from harm. So what are the common reasons for this alert? So first is you need to wait it out. So the delay mode is a safety feature. It helps avoid short cycling and potentially damage your air conditioner. Typically lasts around 5 minutes, and again, you just need to wait it out. Now, next is you might need to reset your thermostat. So for non-touch models, press the fan button and up arrow button simultaneously until you see the numbers on the display. Change the number on the right to 1 and the number on the left 90. Press the button to confirm or done. Now, for touchscreen models, for T5 and T6 models, press the menu icon, tap Preset, and then select Factory Reset. For Smart Wi-Fi 900, you need to select Menu, click Preference, and choose Reset Factory Defaults. Now, from then on, tap Yes. And for Vision Pro 800, you just need to click on System and tap the blank box at the center and change the number to the left to 0710 and the number on the right to 1 and then tap Done. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.